Hey you guys, and so I'm gonna do this video about my summertime EDC. So to start off with, I have my cell phone. It's an iPhone 11. I can't show you that because I'm using that to film. I don't have a camera at this moment, but my cell phone just as good as filming as a regular camera. So I'm probably not gonna get a camera right now. I'm gonna wait just because of how good my iPhone does the video. So for my cell phone, it's a black iPhone 11. My wallet, it's a Polo. I've had this for a couple years now. You can see it's all beat up. For my keys, I have my keys on this Jägermeister keychain. You wear around your neck like this, or in your pocket. I prefer it to be in my pocket, just because I don't like anything around my neck besides necklaces. I carry this light. Y'all seen this before? High mode, dim mode, and then a stream. I've had this for about a year or two now, and just last week I had changed the batteries out. So that should tell you how long the battery lifespan is. For my pocket knife, I just have a regular pocket knife. Has a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, open rope. It does have a serrated end to it. Excellent for cutting rope, opening letters. Just everything that you need to use a knife for. And people ask me, Josh, why do you carry a flashlight with you? Back to the flashlight. It's because a flashlight is so useful. Go down in the comment and tell me how many times, daytime or nighttime, you needed a flashlight and you didn't have your cell phone at the moment. I use this light every single day for the most part. For a watch, I normally don't wear watches. It's not my style. When I was younger, I used to love to wear watches. Now, the only time I wear a watch is if I'm going out to like a fancy restaurant or stuff like that. Birthday parties, holidays. So this is my summer EDC. When it's winter time, you'll see my winter EDC. Some stuff I'll have, like the flight, my wallet. You're gonna see some different stuff for winter time. For a belt, I'm using 511. Very nice. I picked it up at a flea market. I talked the guy down to $5. He was asking $15 for it, but I talked him down to $5. And no, I'm not going to get into that, but this is my EDC. So again, I'll do a wintertime EDC. But until then, I'll catch you guys next time.